Ever find yourself wishing you had a magic wand to gather all those glowing customer reviews you deserve, without constantly chasing after them? You're not alone. For home service professionals, those 5-star ratings are the lifeblood of your business. They build trust, attract new customers, and ultimately boost your bottom line. But let's be honest, after a long day of service calls, the last thing on your mind is probably sending out review requests. That's where the power of automation comes in. Imagine a system that effortlessly prompts your satisfied customers to share their positive experiences online, all while you focus on what you do best, providing top-notch service. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, with Housecall Pro, this isn't just a dream. It's a reality. Housecall Pro is a fantastic tool for managing your home service business, streamlining everything from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. But one of its most powerful, yet often underutilized, features is its ability to automate the review process. Today, we're diving deep into how you can leverage this functionality to build a stellar online reputation on autopilot. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why this is so crucial. In today's digital age, potential customers are heavily influenced by online reviews. Think about it. When you're looking for a plumber, electrician, or HVAC technician, what's the first thing you do? You probably hop online and check out their ratings and reviews. A strong collection of positive feedback can be the deciding factor between a customer choosing your business or going with a competitor. Furthermore, consistent positive reviews can improve your visibility on search engines like Google. Google considers online reputation when ranking local businesses, meaning more reviews can lead to higher search rankings and more organic traffic to your website. It's a virtuous cycle. Great service leads to great reviews, which leads to more customers, which allows you to provide more great service. So, how do you actually set up this review automation magic within Housecall Pro? It's simpler than you might think. Housecall Pro offers a few different ways to automate review requests, ensuring you capture feedback at the most opportune moments. One of the most effective methods is to integrate review requests into your post-service workflow. After you complete a job and mark it as finished in Housecall Pro, the system can automatically send a personalized review request to your customer via email or SMS. This timing is perfect because the experience is still fresh in their minds. They've just received your excellent service, and they're more likely to leave a positive review. To set this up, you'll typically navigate to your Housecall Pro settings, often under a section labeled Follow-ups, Automations, or Customer Communication. Within this area, you should find options related to review requests. You'll likely be able to customize the message that gets sent to your customers. This is your chance to inject some personality and make it feel less like a generic automated message. Consider including a friendly greeting, a thank you for their business, and a clear call to action, such as, "We'd love to hear about your experience. Click the link below to leave a review." You'll also want to include a direct link to your preferred review platform, whether it's Google My Business, Yelp, Facebook, or another industry-specific review site. Make it as easy as possible for your customers to leave feedback. The fewer clicks and less hassle involved, the higher the chance they'll actually do it. Housecall Pro often allows you to set a delay for when the review request is sent after the job is completed. This is a useful feature as you might want to give your customer a little time to settle in and ensure everything is to their satisfaction before prompting for a review. A delay of a few hours or even a day can feel less intrusive and more thoughtful. Another powerful automation feature within Housecall Pro is often tied to the payment process. Once a customer pays their invoice, this can trigger an automated review request. This is another excellent touch point, as a successful payment often signifies a satisfied customer. They've received the service, the transaction is complete, and they're likely in a positive frame of mind. Explore the different automation triggers available in your Housecall Pro account. You might find options to send review requests based on specific job types or even customer tags. This level of customization allows you to tailor your approach and ensure you're targeting the right customers at the right time. Beyond the initial setup, it's important to monitor your automated review system. Regularly check your Housecall Pro dashboard to see which review requests are being sent and if you're receiving new reviews. This will give you insights into the effectiveness of your automation and allow you to make adjustments if needed. Don't forget to actively engage with the reviews you receive, both positive and negative. Responding to positive feedback shows your appreciation and reinforces customer loyalty. Addressing negative reviews professionally and constructively demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction, and one provides an opportunity to resolve any issues. Housecall Pro often provides notifications when you receive new reviews, making it easy to stay on top of your online reputation. Furthermore, consider the overall customer experience you're providing. Automation is a powerful tool, but it's only as effective as the service it follows. Ensure your team is providing excellent service, communicating clearly, and going the extra mile for your customers. This will naturally lead to more positive reviews, making your automated requests even more impactful. Think about training your team to subtly mention the review process to satisfied customers during or after the service. This personal touch can further encourage them to leave feedback when they receive the automated request. It's about creating a culture where positive feedback is valued and actively sought. By implementing automated review requests through Housecall Pro, you're essentially building a passive system for generating social proof. This frees up your time to focus on growing your business and delivering exceptional service, knowing that your online reputation is being nurtured in the background. It's a win-win situation for you and your happy customers. Take some time today to explore the automation features within your Housecall Pro account. Experiment with different triggers, customize your messaging, and make it incredibly easy for your satisfied customers to share their positive experiences. The long-term benefits of a strong online reputation are invaluable in today's competitive market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.